Now we on partition port. I have the data on my port is the partition C, partition D, and partition E. I have my data on partition E, so I will not do anything on my partition E. I just will increase my partition C. Okay, first we click on partition D, it means partition 3. Click format. Okay, and delete it. Okay, now our partition D become unlocated space. Now I will change my partition C. Click format. Okay. Then click delete. Partition C and partition D automatically going be unity, and we can do the change our partition now. Click for new. Then you increase your partition C. Input your number. I will insert 90. It's mean 90. Okay, just click apply. Oh, I do something wrong. I delete one and click apply. Now our partition C become 90 GB. Then for the partition D, just click new and leave it. Just click apply. Okay. After it, make sure your pointer focus to partition C. Do not click partition 3 or partition 4. Just click partition 2. Then next.